Hello friends, Astrologer Mohnish here, and thank you for watching my videos on Vedic astrology and financial astrology. Today is 2nd October 2024, and today is the new lunar month starts. The new cycle of the lunar month starts from today. And today is also global solar eclipse. I made a video on global solar eclipse and released on 23rd of September. If you have not watched it, I would highly recommend go and watch it. I've covered the countries like USA, Israel, Russia, India, Ukraine, and Lebanon. And during this video, I already predicted that Israel and Lebanon will go one-on-one war, and Iran will also join this. Now, in this video, I will cover on a major level what you expect in the stock market from the new lunar month perspective. And also, before I go in, I would like to just see how my VIP indicators are performing for gold and cryptocurrencies, and also for the crude oil. If you're new to this channel and you don't know that, then if all you need to do is go to our YouTube channel, Astrologer, and then join our membership, join our platinum membership. And once you join it, we will give you access to our two algorithm-based indicators, which provides you buy and sell signal. And there are many videos I have covered that how to use these indicators on daily basis to see how you can jump into any trade and also be very successful. Also, for my premium members, I give them the weekly stocks, the best stocks to pick and to invest in, so that your success rate goes very, very high. Now, let's see how the indicator is performing. This is the gold chart from daily candle, and you see the underlying this indicator, the fast moving indicator, is showing bullish, which is very good. And this bullish sign came here on this particular candle. And then we were waiting. We didn't log into this trade. This was on 6th of August. But the moment we saw this bullish sign came in, we jumped into this trade. And this is from here you get into this trade, the entry, which our label will show here. And now you can see here it has hit its target. The target was given here, 2600. And then it hit its target, and now the prices are above the target. So now all we are waiting is to pull down. This will come down here, and then the moment the daily candle shows the signal here buy, we will jump back into this trade. If you have missed this rally on the daily candlestick, you can always go back to 1 hour chart and then start seeing when the new bullish signal comes, and then you can jump into that trade, because overall we know the prices are going upwards in the daily chart. The 1 hour chart, you see that here, this was get ready, and this is go for it, and how much money you would have made in here. Now it's retracing, it is showing bullish here. So very soon you will see the bullish sign will come here, the signal will turn into buy instead of waiting, and then it will tell you the next profit taking zone. And all you have to do is watch this line. If it is going upwards, stay in the trade. The moment it is leaning downwards towards this orange line, you can exit the trade. So this looks very good, very promising so far. And if we go back and see the chart of crude oil, this is US crude oil, and you can see here the daily candle, the bullish sign came in here right now, but it doesn't mean bullish because this wave is very tiny bit. And you see this wave did not go any further. It just died in air. And our indicator, the top algorithm-based indicator, is still showing bearish trend. Okay, so all we are doing now is we're just waiting for here to another green candle, or the green signal comes in, or the major green signal should come here. Then only you go for the bullish trends in the crude oil. Otherwise, keep waiting. See, the signal is also waiting. It's waiting for the next big wave to come and appear on this chart. And if you see the same thing with the Bitcoins, we predicted that Bitcoins will go down, and you see our indicator is now showing sell. Look at it. See, we started here, we did the trade here. If you watch my previous videos, we went up till here. The moment this line was going downwards, we sold our positions, we cash out, and now there's a sell signal, and this sell signal is looking very strong. So keep shortening till you see the profit, take profit line hit, or you see that this line is going downwards and making a gap with the orange line. So that means the momentum is very much bearish. So this is the beauty of our technical algorithm-based machine learning indicators. This will always make you very, very successful trader. Okay, you can play with 1 hour daily candle, scalping for 5 minutes, if you're a very strong, very prudent investor or a trader, you can use in a multiple scenarios this. Okay, both the indicators along with our predictions. When we say the days market are going to be bullish, wait for the bullish sign those days. If you're playing 1 hour chart, 5 minutes chart. When we're saying the market will be bearish, then do not play the bullish sign because bullish waves may be small ones. Play the bearish, the sell off that day to make the maximum money. Once the indicator says there's a bearish trend forming, a big wave is forming. So this is how you play with these indicators. Again, if you are not using this, you are missing out big. Just try it and see it. You will get to know within 10 days that how much progress you can make as a day trader or a swing trader using our algorithm and our machine learning platform along with our astrological predictions and forecast. Now for this lunar month, I just recently released a post to my premium members and I want to just read that. So October 2nd, the 1449 New York time, the new lunar cycle begins. Full moon is on October 17th. So what do you expect in this new lunar month is setting up in the sign of Virgo, is starting in the sign of Virgo, and which is an earthy and dual sign. Typically, it's a very sluggish sign. It is a sign of, it's a very sticky markets. It's a dual and also an earthy sign, which shows that the market does not go further, right? It just remains sluggish, sideways trends. But the problem here is that it's not only happening in the sign of Virgo. Okay, it is also happening the day when the solar eclipse is forming, which is in the nakshatra of Hasta, where Rahu, Ketu, and Sun all are conjunct together. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can see in here. So if the day of solar eclipse, global solar eclipse, which happened on the 2nd of October today, and you can see that all the planets are clustered here, right here. You see the new lunar month starts, and then the Ketu, Moon, Sun, Rahu, Veda is all happening here. So this makes this new lunar month very, very malefic. Very, very malefic. So what does it mean? It means that more volatility, more challenges, more ups and downs in the prices. And you can see normally the market will show bullish trends because a lot of malefics are putting Veda on the moon. And US is coming close to the elections. But there are so many conflicts and so many unrest and fear in the market because of the challenges in the Middle East. So you will see market will remain sluggish, slow down, range bound, and then sudden ups and the sudden pull downs, pull backs, or retracement will happen, especially on the day when the fear of war is growing much, much higher. So again, volatility and ups and downs, roller coaster this whole month. So hold your positions, don't sell it. When we say market will pull down, it doesn't mean market are crashing. Pull down means healthy market tests its supports and then go back further up. It's a healthy sign. So whenever the pullback happens, either sell the covered calls. I will make a video on options. I know many of my viewers do not know how to trade options, but option trading is very, 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 very healthy and very, very good actually. If you hold some stocks and sell put or call options on that, you can always keep taking premium in your pockets, which is and you don't care stock is moving upwards or downwards because in any that direction you're making money with your stocks. So I'll make a video on that soon. So what to expect is ups and down movement, but don't fear, hold your positions. Major transit to watch. Mars is in the Punarvasu Nakshatra until 28th of October. Okay, so the gold, silver, cotton, and coarse grains prices will be up. Okay, so that is going to be because of the Mars sitting in the nakshatra till October 28th, nakshatra of Punarvasu. So gold and silver prices will be up. Mars direct influence on Mula nakshatra will also pump the gold and silver prices. And we already know, I've already showed and shared with you that my technical indicator is also waiting for a new sign to emerge for the gold to go for the buy signal. And this is the moment it shows buy, we're going to jump onto it because the gold has a very potential to go up to the level of 2800 easily with the current market scenarios and the current situation in the Middle East also. Sun enters Chitra Nakshatra on October 10th. It will spark a steady rise in the crude oil and petroleum products. We already know that petroleum products, crude oil, have just started emerging upwards. And again, I'm going to show you here, crude oil, you see it was 65 and then now it's going upwards. And this is all because of the transits of the planets and the condition in the Middle East. And sun is causing that. Sun is entering the Chitra Nakshatra on 10th, and it will add more up bullish trends in the crude oil and petroleum products. Now, Jupiter is getting retrograde. So, again, if you have a strong Jupiter in your chart, you must consult an astrologer or me. What does it mean to you? Jupiter retrograde will cause delays and challenges in the matters of travel, in the matters of law and order, and there could be some challenges also towards the health of women, because and your luxuries, because Jupiter is transiting into the sign of Taurus, which is ruled by Venus. So Venus will get impact of Jupiter retrograde. In your personal chart, how it impacts you, must consult me or a qualified professional astrologer. Don't just Google it, okay? When you Google things here and there and find your own answers, it's all textbooks astrology. Professional astrology is very different than textbooks astrology. Professional astrology comes to the gurus, the lineage, and the practicality of looking and reading more than 1,000 charts. With textbooks astrology, nobody can read. Nobody can learn astrology from reading textbooks. You Google one thing, one answer is this. You Google the same thing, the other answer will be this. One book says this, other says this. So don't waste your time. It's the best you consult a qualified professional astrologer, and you can read anyone's status online, reviews, and check their followers, subscriber. Easily you can see in this time and era who is the best astrologer in this world. And then you can consult him or her. So Jupiter will cause direct influence on the Revati Nakshatra. Again, see, Revati Nakshatra rules the bitcoins and the cryptocurrencies. So when Jupiter will put its Veda on it, you will see that sluggish or fall in prices will happen. And bitcoins, I have already mentioned, my clients, my subscribers, my followers, sell it, sell it, sell it. When the time came to sell it, when it reached 66K. So when it was here, 66, I told many days before that sell it, because the transit of the planets is showing the pumping and dumping is happening very soon in the cryptocurrency market. Again, don't fall trap into the cryptos, the hype like 50x, 60x, 100x, that it will be a million or 2 million worth of currencies. It's not going to happen that soon. Okay, so it may happen one day, but the Bitcoin's chart has a Kala Sarapadosha. One day it will come to zero. I'm telling you this. Mark this, record this, put it somewhere in your library. What I'm saying, it may reach million also, but it will also crash out as a zero. The technology of bitcoins is made by the aliens, so they can get the real gold from you, and you just keep digging into the artificial gold, which is Bitcoin. And this is what's happening right now. People are just crazy about Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies. It has backed up with what? Nothing. It's just a thin air. It will be gone one day, and nobody will be able to recover their money. So be very careful when you trade Bitcoins. Do not keep it for a longer time. You buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it, make money, swing trade, but just don't hold it. My $1 million advice to you guys. Now, Saturn is retrograde and is moving back to its Satabisha Nakshatra from October 3rd. Again, rising price in chemicals, drugs, petroleum products. So the crude oil is going to be up. We have one signal here. We have one signal here. Gold and silver prices will also be going to be up. And bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, technology, electronic stocks may see some range-bound movement temporarily till Jupiter is retrograde. So once again, my dear friends, Astrologer Mohnish here. Thank you for watching this video. Again, join the VIP membership so you know before you go where the markets would be, what is going to happen weekly basis, what is going to happen monthly basis. And when you combine with my VIP indicators, the algorithm-based indicators, and my astrology forecast, your success rate gets very, 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 very high. You can see it yourself. You can see how many traders are already be happy and making money when you read their comments and feedback. Again, Astrologer Mohnish here. Provide me your feedback. Like this. Do not forget to press the bell icon to enable all your notifications, because then you miss out the notifications and miss out my new videos. And many people say they don't find my videos because you have not pressed the bell icon and enable all notification from YouTube channel. This week, we're going to do Devi Banglamukhi Puja also for all my subscribers, and stay tuned for that. The holy Navaratras are starting from tomorrow. I wish you very happy, very blessed Navaratras. May Devi Goddess Banglamukhi give you prosperity, happiness, and remove all your sins, sorrows, and challenges, and even black magic from you. Stay tuned for the pujas. Take care. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thank you for watching.